Hi everyone, so welcome back again. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a detailed eyebrow tutorial. Thank you so much for staying tuned on this channel, and I hope that you keep referring people, keep bringing people, like and subscribe. So if you don't know how to draw your eyebrow, kindly keep watching. So the first thing you have to do is to brush with your spoolie. So a spoolie brush, this is a spoolie brush. Using your spoolie brush, you tend to brush your hair to the direction. So I'm working with my eye pencil. Following I'm drawing the upper outline. Joining in with the lower outline. Yeah, it's really simple, but when you keep practicing, now I'm feeling. Then for this front, I'm trying to start. Now I want to conceal my angle brush, my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now I'm continuing with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Gradually. Now I spread out. So for the upper part, I want to go on with my foundation, classic foundation in 03. You go on with the exact shade of the person, the exact shade of foundation. So for the upper part, and for this end as well. So I'm going up with my upper part. Ensure you use little foundation. I'm going on with my blending brush. I tend to blend These colors, the concealer into so the same thing we did here is what we're going to do here. Okay, so now I'm done with the second part. So you can achieve this easily. It's very simple, yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you. Kindly subscribe and like on this video. Bye.